Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making 1 pound of sponge cake and I will be using the golden cream margarine. Alright, here are the ingredients. I have some nutmeg, I have ground orange peel, I have a cinnamon powder, I have the vanilla essence, I have the almond essence, baking powder, I have 6 eggs, and this is the butter that I'm going to be washing before I start. Okay, and that is to take out some of the salt that is in the butter, and I will be using the cake flour, okay, and the old milk. Okay, please check the description bar for the measurement. Okay, so we have 1 cup of water into this butter, and I'm gonna stir it. All right, and let's get out some of the salt and let it get a kind of a creamy, and then I will be back. Because of the too much of a stirring with the hand, I have to use the hand mixer to move it. So you can see the water still in there, so I'm going to wash it 2 times, and then I'll drain out all the water, and then I will be coming back. Okay, I have it on medium speed, so the butter is a little bit more managed than adding the sugar to melt. Okay, see the water is right in the middle here, you see. So after finish draining off all the water, make sure so you scrape around the edges and keep turning the butter so that you could get all the liquid out. Okay, and you could test it for yourself. This butter is so salty that when you taste the water for itself, it have a lot of salt in it. You don't have to add any additional salt into this cake mixture. Okay, I'm not going to use 1 whole pound of sugar. It's all about you and your taste. I prefer to use less sugar because I don't like it too sweet, so I'm going to use like 3/4 pound of the sugar. Okay, so add the sugar and mixing all the melting of the butter. Alright, when I finish creaming this butter, I'll be back. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of baking powder. This is 1. Two, along with the spices, and I'm going to mix all these dry ingredients together. All right, I'm going to set this aside, then I'm going to mix the wet ingredients, then add all right, stay tuned. So I'm going to add the almond extract and then the vanilla essence. So I'm going to beat up this egg. So beat up the eggs, and I'm gonna add the milk now and beat it up a little bit more using the hand mixer. Okay, just add the milk. See, okay, so we're gonna mix everything now up together, so stay tuned. I just add the flour, and this is cake flour as I said before, and I'm mixing it in. I'm going to use the liquid last. Okay, your choice. Just add the liquid, half of it, not all, because I didn't add all of the flour either. I'm just mixing it a little bit by little bit. Okay, stay with you. So after finish mixing it, I'm doing a 3-color cake. Okay, so I have the green paste, okay, I have the yellow, and I have the red food coloring, which I'm going to be using. So first I'm going to use the food coloring, which is the red one, and then I'm going to mix it in. 1, this is a 1/4 teaspoon of the food coloring I'm using, and I'm using the food mixer to mix it in to get the color red. All right. Stay tuned. When it finished mixing, I have the yellow, green, and this is the red. I'm going to put it in the oven to bake 350 degrees for about an hour, and then continue. Cake when it's finished. So I will be making some cream cheese frosting. So I have half of the cream cheese, which is 4 ounces, 1 cup of powdered sugar, vanilla essence. Okay, I'm gonna whip this until it get creamy, then add the sugar. After finish mixing the cream cheese, add the sugar and some vanilla extract. Now I'm not gonna use any salt because the cream cheese already have salt. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna rest this in the fridge, and then I'm gonna cut around the cake and assemble it together. Stay tuned. I'm gonna add some frosting on this first layer. All right.